14 July, 9 members of Central Committee of IPFT, including two ministers, cabinet minister, MLA, and the central leaders, went to Delhi to have a deputation with Home Minister. On 15 July, we have got appointment with Home Minister in the Parliament in his chamber. And as soon as we met Home Minister, Sri Amit Shah ji, he is a great leader. He is a wonderful leader. We have a half an hour interaction and we have discussed thoroughly about our issues. One issue we have discussed with him is regarding the high-level committee which was constituted last year before election. There is a 9-member committee who supposed to be placed their report within 3 months, but somehow it was delayed. The reports did not come out yet. We highlight the new Home Minister regarding these issues, and really he is a very wonderful person. He promised us that he will do the very fast manner. Then all the issues of the high-level committee will look after him, as because he is a new Home Minister. Earlier it was a former our Home Minister Rajnath Singh. It was during his time we have constituted the high-level committee to look after our Tripura problem. Especially it is mentioned in the high-level committee, the socio-economic and political issues will be taken care of for the people of Tripura, especially for the indigenous population of Tripura. And it is a very cordial discussion with him. And he have stated that within 15 days, he will call back to us and we will have a detailed discussion about these issues. And in this discussion, we are really with a good environment. We have given him a token of our love. We have given the Risa, our traditional gifts, and he is very happy. And he, during his discussion in his chamber, he informed the Home Secretary, saying that the IPP leader from Tripura and Minister will meet with you and you give them time and discuss thoroughly about their issues, about their problem. Inform us, he have called to the Home Secretary. Then after 1 or 2 hours, we went to meet Home Secretary because the Home Minister has informed him to discuss with us. And with Home Secretary, about 1 hour we have discussed with him. And we have discussed very with good environment, with cordial discussion, and he have listened us very carefully. And we have mentioned him lot of issues about Tripura. The Tripura is a small state, and Tripura is indigenous people are suffering for quite many years. And our demand, we have put of him the ultimate solution will be the statehood based on scheduled area of Tripura. This is our dream, this is our demand, this is our aspiration. With this issue only, we have made alliance with the BJP government. We have discussed thoroughly with about the issue with Home Secretary. And Home Secretary also assure us that within a short period of time, we will have a dialogue, we will have a discussion about this matter. So he have also informed the same thing like Home Minister have stated. And again, in this within this minute, within this hour, again we met with the MOS to Prime Minister, Dr. Jitendra Jit Singh. He is a Home Affairs Minister, Minister of State, and he also attached to Prime Minister Office. And we also met him, and with him also we have a very nice discussion. And as you know, we have met several times with Jitendra Jit Singh. Earlier also we have met him. So he really welcomed us, and of course it is very interesting to note that we have no any intention to meet Jitendra Jit Singh, but on the way on the corridor while we come back from the Home Minister, he met us and he has called us. You also come to my room and let us discuss. And he only took us in his room. He only led us. So it is very nice and very wonderful person. He's though we don't have any appointment with him, he called us in his chamber and we discussed with him very thoroughly. And you know, Jitendra Singh is a very nice person, very great leaders. He's very humble man. We have very long discussion with him, and half an hour. We have taken tea, this and that. So it is very nice movement we feel. And this time, our Dil Abhijan is really very grateful. I grateful to the minister of BJP ministers, and also we met the forest ministers again, and that's Javadekar. He's a Rajya Sabha MP, and he also ministers of forest and environment. Again we went and meet him, and this is on 16, and with him also have thoroughly discussion with him. He also have given his valuable time. So again I also appreciate him. This is what we find different environment. I have a lot of experience. Earlier I met many the Congress leader, Congress ministers, but we don't get such kind of response. This is what I find different between Congress and a BJP. Earlier I have met several times with the Congress minister, Congress leader, but we don't have get such kind of welcome, such kind of environment. But now BJP government, NDA government have really giving keen interest for our indigenous people of Tripura. This is what I find different. Therefore, I really once again give my heartiest congratulations and regard, especially the Home Minister, the Amit Shah ji. He is a great leader, wonderful leaders, which I found him. And this is the first time I met him after he has become Home Ministers, and this is wonderful. And he gave us welcome, and he have given us a lot of good feeling. Therefore, I appreciate him, and I really thanks him for his wonderful attitude and his positive mind, positive attitude, which I found him. And also I found him, the Jitendra Singh ji, he also very wonderful person, very kind man. So all these things I find totally different comparing if we compare with Congress and BJP leaders. Therefore, I think our movement is in a positive way, in a positive note, and maybe has the Home Minister have told us that he will call us back within 15 days. So let us wait and see. And he told us that we need time to discuss about your issues, and this long time discussion is required. Therefore, this time they're having parliament session going on. Maybe he don't have much time to give us, but he assured us that immediately after finishing the parliament session, he'll call us back and we'll discuss thoroughly about our issues.